Here's a Kenmore microwave and pizza oven combo. Looks like it's one of the older ones. Here's the microwave. Inside looks clean. Light bulb still works. Here's the cooking guide. Here's the information. Kenmore pizza oven and microwave oven combo. Model number 721-66993-800. It was manufactured September of 2009, which makes it almost 16 years old. Here's the oven. The oven looks clean. The red light doesn't come on when you open the oven. Here's the controls. Basic controls, except for the oven. Anyways, let's go ahead and test the microwave first. I guess that's it for the microwave. Now let's go ahead and test the oven. Well, I guess that wraps up the video.